Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chetan Vats. I welcome you all once again to YouTube channel Atalum Group. So guys, today I am going to talk about a project which is not in Delhi, and this is going to be at your favorite location, which is, yes, you're right, this is in Goa. So basically I'm talking about a project which is in Goa. That too is a listed company, and they have major land banks in Bombay, Pune, and basically they're the market leaders in Maharashtra, right? And they have almost delivered in the major the projects in major states of India, right? And the regional presence is now in also Ayodhya, wherein Ram Mandir has been already inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister in the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi ji, right? वहाँ पे भी एक टाउनशिप लेके आए थे एंड द टाउनशिप इज बीइंग सोल्ड ऑन अ टाइम स्पैन ऑफ ओनली few months. So that brand I'm talking about. I would not name it in a video because there is a legal formalities has to come. Otherwise, I am going to take you through a project. ये project कहाँ रहने वाला? Basically, this is a project in Goa. And अगर इसकी location की मैं बात करूँ, this is only 40 minutes away from Mopa Airport, 50 minutes away from Daboline Airport, and majorly it is centrally located, and major beaches, if I talk about distance, this is near about 50 minutes time, right? What you will get in this project? So basically it's a very huge project. 133 acres का project है, and they have already delivered the project in Goa. They have already delivered the projects in Goa already, and they have come up with a third project. And if I talk about the project in detail, basically you will get a villa size ranging from 1500 square feet to 2000 square feet. And this is a project where you will get 7-star amenities, like you will have facility management system there. You will have 5-star hotel in premises in that compound, 133 acres. You will have water bodies like you will see in Dubai. Majorly you will see in good hotels in Dubai, you will have the waterfall coming around and all those musical fountains across you. So you will have that water bodies, you will have cashew nut trees, you will have coca trees, you will have palm trees intact in the project. You will feel like that you're not in Goa, you are in Dubai. It is that feel I'm talking about, right? The ambience is going to be so amazing that it will be really shocking for you that wow, this is going to be a place, this is my second home. So basically I'm making this video just to have a second home, because majorly हम लोग कोविड टाइम्स में हम लोगों ने देखा कि इतना बड़ा पेंडेमिक आया, हम लोग एक फ्लोर्स में रहते हैं, दिल्ली में अपार्टमेंट्स में रहते हैं, बॉम्बे में रहते हैं, तो वी स्टक ऑन दोज फ्लोर्स. हमें एक प्योर एयर एनवायरमेंटल फ्रेंडली माहौल नहीं मिला, हमें एक लॉजिकल बैलेंस नहीं मिला. हम लोग जो है उस पेंडेमिक में ऐसे स्टक हो गए थे कि हमारे पास सेकंड होम होता तो हम शायद कहीं मूव कर पाते, राइट? आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट लॉकडाउन पीरियड, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द रेस्ट टाइम व्हेन द लॉकडाउन वाज नॉट इम्पोज्ड एंड देयर वाज वो लॉकडाउन को जो है खत्म कर दिया गया था. उसके बाद भी लोग जो है कहीं मूव नहीं कर पाए बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव सेकंड होम. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग एवरीवन डोंट हैव, बट मेजरली डोंट हैव सेकंड होम. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर सेकंड होम, आई मस्ट से. एंड मेजरली जो गोवा में इन्वेस्टमेंट रहती है दैट इज फ्रॉम दिल्ली ओनली. 85% इन्वेस्टमेंट जो होती है गोवा में दैट इज फ्रॉम दिल्ली एनसीआर. सो दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज रियली अमेजिंग बिकॉज आपको सारी फैसिलिटीज, लाइक आपको हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट हो गया, हेल्थ केयर मैनेजमेंट हो गया, फैसिलिटी मैनेजमेंट हो गया, 5-स्टार होटल या तो लीला या फिर ताज, इसी 133 एकर्स के टाउनशिप के अंदर आपको जो है कोई भी 5-स्टार होटल आपको एक मिल जाएगा. यू विल हैव एक्सक्लूसिव 7-स्टार फीलिंग इन द premises, right? You can construct your own villa as per your preferences and choices, right? आप उसको अपने अकॉर्डिंगली कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड द ब्रांड विल हेल्प यू एंड असिस्ट यू. आपको असिस्ट कर सकते हैं कि आप किस तरह से आर्किटेक्ट से या जो भी डिजाइनर से बात करना चाहे, उसमें हम आपको असिस्ट कर सकते हैं. इसकी अगर मैं प्राइसिंग की बात करूं प्रोजेक्ट की, तो प्राइसिंग रियली अमेजिंग है. इसका जो प्राइसिंग है दैट इज 99 लाख रुपीज. मैंने बताया आपको 1500 स्क्वायर फीट की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. एंड यू कैन बुक योर यूनिट बाय जस्ट पेइंग 45,000 रुपीज बाय जस्ट गिविंग एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन रुपीज 45,000 रुपीज, राइट? आप इसको प्रायोरिटी नंबर, देयर विल बी अ प्रायोरिटी नंबर once you make the payment of 45,000 through a link. There will be a priority number. I will share a link in this video as well. Those who are interested can go to the link and make the payment of rupees 45,000 and can book your unit right away, right? And by just paying 40,000 you don't own a plot, it will be just a generation of priority number. We do have all those legal documents of the project if in case anyone wants, so we can give it to you after 10th of May, right? Because this project is going to officially launch on 10th of May. And apart from this, इसमें मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा बाय पेइंग 45,000 प्रायोरिटीज नंबर आपको जनरेट करके देंगे. दिस विल हेल्प यू व्हेन द फाइनल अलॉटमेंट विल कम, फाइनल लिस्ट विल बी कम फॉर द जो भी अलॉटमेंट के लिए आएगी फाइनल लिस्ट, उसमें आपका नाम होगा तो उसमें आपको प्रायोरिटीज दी जाएंगी पहले, फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट बेसिस पे, राइट. सो दिस इज अ ब्रांड एट पार, मैं बोलूंगा गोदरेज, DLF, that kind of brand this I'm talking about. I would not name this brand in this video due to legal compliance since the official launch is yet to come. But मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताना चाहूँगा कि ये जो इन्वेस्टमेंट रहने वाली है, this is going to be your best investment because ये जो प्राइस आप आज इन्वेस्ट करेंगे 99 लाख रुपीज़, 2 साल 2.5 साल में बिल्डर आपको बना के देगा, तो you will see the exponential rise in the price. The price which you will invest today will get double in, let's say, time span of only 2.5 years. Till the time you'll get possession, and you will also get a time period to make the payment. 99 lakh rupees you don't need to pay in one go. There will be a relaxation to the payment as well. You will have some time period with you so that you can make the payment easily, right? This is going to be a life changing decision for those who really wants a second home and looking for that outstanding location with all amenities. 40 plus amenities will be there in your clubhouse, and the luxury feeling you will get in a 7-star resort. That feeling I'm talking about, that ambience I'm talking about, and that luxury I'm talking about. So if you are really interested in this project, you can give me a call on a highlighted number which will flash below. And if you have any doubts and query related to this project, you can give me a comment. You can write in a comment box. I can revert you. I will revert you as soon as possible. And also, if you're watching me on Facebook and Insta, then please follow us. And if you're watching me on YouTube, then please share and like. I keep on posting such videos which will really enhance your knowledge related to real estate, as well as I keep on posting such projects which will also really beneficial in terms of ROIs and appreciation of the property value. Thank you so much for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you so much.